Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera. My name is Nura Anisah binti Azmi and I am from 5 Jujur. Today, I'm going to talk about the application of Archimedes principle in daily life, which is Plimsoll line. This is an example of Plimsoll line on a ship. It is divided into two parts, which is on the left side, it is the line for the freshwater line, while on the right side, it is the line for the seawater line. What is Plimsoll line? Plimsoll line is a reference mark located on a ship's hull that indicates the maximum depth to which the vessel may be safely immersed while loaded with cargo. It takes into consideration the various conditions of seasons and locations that the ship will be in, which means that it depends on the density of the sea water. How does physics play a part? Density is the mass per unit volume of a substance. The temperature of the water affects the level of the markings. This is because warm water provides less buoyancy as it is less dense than the cold water. Saltiness of the water also play a part as fresh water is less dense than the sea water, which means that fresh water has lower density than the sea water. Therefore, a ship will be submerged deeper in fresh water than sea water. How Archimedes principle is applied in ships. Archimedes continued to do more experiments and came up with buoyancy principle, which is that a ship will float when the weight of the water it displaces equals to the weight of the ship, and anything will float if it is shaped to displace its own weight of the water before it reaches to the point where it will be submerged. Therefore, buoyant force is equal to the weight of the ship. How does the weight of the load can affect the ship? The greater the mass of the load, the greater the volume of water displaced. Therefore, it will cause the ship to sink more deeper than normal. Extra note on buoyant force. Buoyant force can be calculated by using formula, which is that Fb is equal to rho Vg, which is rho stands for density of water, V stands for the volume of water displaced, and G stands for the gravitational acceleration. That's all from me. Thank you.